Welcome to Pia Page Pals. Let's explore stories, fun facts, and animal adventures.
Just one tiny trick, Biscuit. You'll never guess where your bowl went, and I'll put it back soon.
Don't look so worried, buddy. It's only a joke. I'm the best trickster in the house.
Okay, maybe he really wants it, but I'll fix it later.
Kind jokes still need kindness, Bart. Think about Biscuit's feelings before you sleep.
I can't stop thinking about Biscuit. Why do I feel so strange? I just want morning to come so I can fix it. Why am I so small? How did this happen? Everything is so big.
Why is everything huge? Biscuit, it's me! Please don't step near me!
I hit your water, and now I'm running from it. Biscuit, I understand now. Needing water isn't funny at all.
I thought tricks were funny, but this feels scary when nobody understands what I need.
Biscuit was thirsty, and I made him confused. I didn't think about him at all.
Biscuit, I'm scared. I need help, and I'm sorry I didn't help you. You protected me even after my mean trick. I should have protected your comfort too.
It was only a dream, but Biscuit's feelings were real. I have to make this right.
I'm sorry, Biscuit. Your bowl belongs here. No more tricks that make you feel bad. You're my best friend, Biscuit. I'll use my tricks for fun, not for hurting feelings.